Hey folks, you buy a lot of eggs, but you've got a fridge like mine that actually doesn't have a place to store eggs, because I buy mine like this, 2.5 dozen. Now I didn't want to go out and buy something special to hold the eggs in there so that I can rotate them properly, as most people do. And as long as you don't care what it looks like in the fridge, all I did is, you can use any kind of container that will fit. In this case, I buy unsweetened almond milk, and this happens container size. This is a 96 ounce. So all I did, and I know this fits because I've tried it, I cut the top off. Who knows, I might be able to use that for something. I'll think about that later. And then all I do is I take this off. And I just put my eggs right down in here. And I will show you another reason why I do it this way. Now I do have some eggs left over, so before I fill this up, I can put the last of those other eggs right in there. So I make sure I am using these older ones first. Just fits. Now these will be my newer ones. I just don't have enough. It's just too many eggs to put in one. I think what I'll do is I'll take a couple of those new ones from down below. And the dates are far enough apart that if I happen to get a couple old ones, no big deal. I'm going to show you what I do in my fridge for these right here. Each of you, you're going to have your fridge arranged a different way than mine. So you may have a different setup depending on what you use most frequently. Since I'm using eggs a lot more, they're the ones I put right in the front that I'm grabbing first, along with the sausages. So inside my drawer, I know some fridges actually, I guess, come with a compartment. Mine does not. However, all I'm going to do is I set this one right here. I know I'm going to take from that first, this here, and I got space for more if I really wanted to go crazy on the eggs. I might do something to keep all my breakfast stuff together. I might do a little something right here, like another one of these, where I can stack up my sausages in there as well. So let me see if I have an extra one of these, and I'll add that right into this video if I do. Alright, so I've added my next little compartment. So now my breakfast stuff is all ready to go. I'll have to go in, grab what I need from here. I can actually stack up a few of these in here, probably 3 or 4, which is going to give me at least a couple weeks worth of all this stuff, and it's very, very handy. Alright, so this is kind of my, part of my little tip or trick series, or whatever you want to call it. If it works for you, that's great. If you have better suggestions, please add them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.